Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to deactivate Twitter account. First, open the Twitter app on your phone. Tap on your profile from the top left corner. From the side panel, tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on your account from the given option. Now tap on Deactivate Account. Again, tap on Deactivate from the bottom of your screen. Provide your password in the password field. Once you provide it, tap on Deactivate. Then it will ask you to confirm your deactivation. Tap on Yes, Deactivate. And your account will be deactivated. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to deactivate your account on Twitter. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.